Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Where are you from? Are you from Bangladesh?
Salam.
Are you from Bangladesh? Bangladesh.
Ethiopia. No.
Ethiopia.
E-
Ethiopia. Are you from Ethiopia?
yes.
Oh,
Yes.
you look like Muslim. Are you Muslim?
Yes.
I am too Muslim.
Yes.
I am too Muslim. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Actually, are you from Addis Ababa? Your capital city? Addis Ababa.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Just I'm from Bangladesh, and basically I'm from Borishal, our division in Bangladesh. Can you speak English a little bit or fluent English speaking style? Little. Okay. Thank you so much. Already I have followed you. Follow me in instant. Follow me.
Follow me.
I am asking you shortcut questions. What is your name? Your name, please.
Sir.
Okay,
Sir.
this is Zakaria Hussain. Muhammad Zakaria Hussain. Just how old are you at present? Your age?
80.
18. Are you 18? 18. You are 18, but you cannot speak. You cannot speak 80. 80 means up, more. 18 means little. 18 and 80, there are so much difference. Really? Actually, are you a student? Do you study? School, college or university? School, college or university? Yeah?
No. School.
Are you a school student? Oh, okay. Actually,
Yes.
I am appreciate for your hijab. Actually, I am so much appreciate for your hijab style. Thank you so much. Thank you. I respect all the time. That is why. You look like polite. Intelligent, and after all, obedient about your parents. However, what is your main staple food in Ethiopia? Do you eat rice and fish? Your staple food. Rice and fish, do you eat?
Doro.
Eat. Fish and rice, do you eat?
Doro.
Oh. What is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? School name.